Good morning, good morning, good morning, you lovely lot. It's Thursday, the sun is out, and so Virginia and I are going to take the children to Tiggywinkles to hang out for the day. We're going to stop at a local garden centre beforehand though and have a little something yummy, and then we'll go to Tiggywinkles because they don't open till 10, so I'll wait for them to arrive. She'll go and do the nursery run with her eldest that she looks after, and then we'll meet up at the coffee shop or garden centre and have something yummy. Tomorrow, Imo and I have our adventure. Like I said, I'm not saying where it is because we like to keep these things private until we've done them. And with my vlogs coming out on the actual day that I film them, you know, it does kind of give away where we might be if I was to say. So yeah, we have just a nice day trip planned tomorrow. But for now, I need a cup of tea. And I need something to eat, so I'm really hungry. And I've got a whole sink of dishes to do because the dishwasher's not been emptied. Spider warning, spider warning. He seems to be carrying his breakfast in his mouth. Interesting. Don't fall on my head, I will not be happy. Look at those legs. In there? Yeah. Good, good. Have you seen the spider? No. Oh. Thought that's what the noise was for. Oh. You nearly came down on my head when I was talking to Davy. Have you seen it now? It's alright, he's got his breakfast, Johnny, he's not going to eat you. Oh, doorbell again. In that one, yeah, I've got to put washing on in the washing machine.
Oh, Mummy, here.
All my clothes. Where are we going, Harrison, in a minute? We're going to go see the hedgehogs. He's very excited. Right. Boys, where are we going?
Hedgehog.
Hedgehogs. Do you want to see the hedgehogs?
Yeah.
Hedgehogs and badgers. Are you going to see the hedgehogs, Matilda? Yeah. Are you driving today?
No.
Do your feet touch the pedals? No. Could you grow a bit so you can drive next time? We'll take it in turns, all right? Can you drive?
No. You
don't know how to drive?
No.
Oh, well.
No, not big enough to drive, Pippa.
I best do it myself then, hadn't I? Ready then, boys? Ready to go? Yeah? Excellent. What have you boys got? Is that nice? Chocolate biscuit. Where's he gone? Ozzy, where's he gone? That's Ozzy's Bic Bic, isn't it? Although I don't know where Ozzy's gone. Boo! Where's Matilda gone? Oh no, I've just got hats to look after today. Hello?
Today.
Yeah. So is that a present from you and me?
Yeah.
I totally forgot it was your mummy's birthday.
Yeah. Mum's birthday today.
We'll buy her a present
We
because
made her a birthday cake.
you've made her a birthday cake. Do you want to show the camera what you've chosen?
And I said Silly, not Mummy, because it's her Mummy's birthday.
Oh, Uliana, this way.
Liliana, this way.
Oh, look, there's an elephant. I can see an elephant. Over here. Yeah, it's called Ganesh.
Hello, Ganesh.
Yeah.
I want to see a
See that
monkey.
symbol on the nose? That is the symbol of the sound of the universe.
It's Uncle Buddha.
Om.
Who's that?
Who's that? I think he's a Buddha.
Yeah, that's
And he's got, is that Chinese dragon?
This is a Buddha. This is a Buddha.
That's a Buddha, is it?
Yeah.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
Why don't you buy it today?
I bet that costs a lot of money. Can you see the price? The Mysterious Moon, it's called, and it's £574.99p. Do you have that money?
No.
No, neither do I. What about a nose? Has she got a nose?
No.
Has she got a mouth? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. No.
Doesn't have any ears, though. No ears.
Can I get a purple one too?
I don't need any more. I would need a cucumber and a courgette. There is a cat. Right, let's go find Mummy in the cafe.
I can't really manage it, Pepper.
Oh, right, tell you what then. You hold it like you were holding it before. Put your hands out. And you have to say, happy birthday, Mummy.
Now, Pepper, do it.
Yeah, well, Pippa knows where it is. That's the thing. Hold on, let's not pull your hair. Let's get it out. I'm doing wrong. Can't get it in, Pip.
No, it's a pack, that one.
Oh, thank you for trying. It's the thought that counts. No, it goes. The thing is, it gets eaten by the seat.
Yeah.
And you push, and it kind of goes
Down, yeah.
Goes in and in and in.
I think
Can you?
Twinkle, little star,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what they are.
That's lovely. So high. You sing to the chocolate bag.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what they are.
That's so nice, Harrison. You look like you want to make a nest. You've got a stick in your mouth. Hello, magpies. One for sorrow, two for joy. Oh, they're out, aren't they? Because it's so warm for them. You're on the big swing. You're not sure about it, are you? Ready? Whoosh! Do you want me to give you a push? A little one? Now hold on tight, Oswaz. Whee! Yeah, that's it. One-handed. They'll have all been scared away before we get there. Oh, look. Come here. Look. Look through there. Those monkey jacks, the other two.
These are monkey jacks, yeah. Stag and a female.
And that's a fallow.
Yeah, well spotted. And
Get down now. That was it, was it? Can you see, Matilda? Did you get a good look? And we'll say hello to the ravens. Because they like to make that funny noise.
What noise do they make, Cassie?
I can't remember actually. It's a weird noise, isn't it? Yeah, something like that. Something like that, yeah. They're very quiet today. It's a raven. Raven up there. Let's see if we can see those foxes, shall we? Can't see. He's just through the trees. Oh, that's the perfect spot.
In the baby room, everyone can see them.
He's eating it.
Do that. So here is a really poor environment for them to have babies.
Hi, hedgehog. Don't poke him. Worry about the flappy hands. Do you want to get a bit closer, Matilda?
No.
Not really. You're okay, are you? He's all prickly.
This is Lily.
Oh, hi, Lily. It's a girl. It's Lily.
It's a Lily.
But you're not called Tiggywinkles according to her, you're called Tinkywinkles.
Tinkywinkles.
Yeah.
We could be Tinkywinkles.
Here.
Yeah, no banging. Oh, there's a squirrel. Look, it's the baby squirrel. Squirrels. Hi, babies. Looks like a thrush, maybe. You're trying to be stunt boys, aren't you? And take them down the slide. Starts early, doesn't it? This death-defying,
Yeah, absolutely.
fearless behaviour. What are you doing with that, Harrison? Woohoo! Whoop, 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 whoop. Whee! Woohoo! There's a lot of starlings on my feeder. That suet block I put out this morning is, well, it's gone. And there's about 4 starlings waiting to have food. Clearly feeding babies and themselves. So I'm going to take another one out and refill it because they're looking mighty miffed that it's all gone. I'm going to take a wild guess that the amount of cars going past my house right now means that the motorway is probably closed. There's probably been an accident because we never get that many cars going past in one go. I need a cup of tea. It is now gone 1 o'clock, 10 past 1, and yes, I need a cup of tea. They have run me ragged. It's been quite full on, I have to say. I'm definitely ready for, I don't know, just half an hour of relaxing. That's it. Arm bit, then an elbow.
Yeah, and different Spider-Man isn't,
Then another arm bit, Llewellyn.
Isn't the Amazing Spider-Man.
Excellent.
But the Amazing... I'm doing the...
the guy with claws?
Dr. Octavius. That's
Is that the guy who has arms as robotic?
Yes.
Oh, I know him.
Doc Ock. What are the superheroes going to do?
Stop from each other's heads.
That doesn't sound like superhero-y behaviour. They should be off rescuing something. Everyone's watching a bit of Spider-Man. My weekend has started. Yes. And it's sunny. I've heard from Imo. She has booked tickets for both of us for tomorrow's fun activity. All will become clear, probably not tomorrow, although I might put some pictures and things up on Instagram. We'll see. I just found out how the starlings up there are clearing out their nest after their babies that are getting bigger have pooped. They've thrown it on my roof, my conservatory roof there. There was a big clatter while I was in the bathroom and I looked out and there was poo rolling down the roof. Malone was the last to go home this evening. We were just sat out on the bench together. We were watching the starlings coming and going and listening for the noise of those babies. And then we were watching the robin, which is just in that bush there, coming and going and listening for her babies, and they're much quieter. But the noise is getting louder, so they're clearly getting bigger. I'm now feeling very hungry, and I accidentally received a HelloFresh order that I hadn't pre-booked the meals. They're naughty. You don't just say, I would like meals, and then you get the meals when you want them. They do this thing that you sign up, which you do, and then you can cancel your meals or change your meals or pause your meals for a period of time, but then you have to remember to go back into the app and keep up with the change, you know, and I forgot. And inevitably they sent 3 meals that I hadn't pre-checked. One of them we had the other day was the meatballs with the cheesy mashed potato, which we had yesterday, very nice. And then there's another meal which is tacos, a taco type meal, which is fine, we like that. And the third meal is what I'm going to make now, which is a sweet potato, ginger and lime and chicken stew. I like that, but that is really not something that Lee will eat. So I'm going to make it, and there might be enough in case, well, there will be, there's 2 meals worth. So Brendan might have some, I don't know. He doesn't tend to eat in the evening, to be honest. Kenzie is making some, well, he's heating up, cooking in the oven, some bakes, what are they called? Bacon and cheese bakes, pastry things that he picked from Aldi the other week. And Leah's having the second chicken en croûte that Kenzie had one yesterday, and Lee's having chicken en croûte today with something else because he won't like this stew. So that is what we have prepped for dinner. I don't know why I'm sharing that with you. It's a vlog, so I suppose I share everything with you, but I'm sure you're very interested to know what we're all eating. You know, it's that kind of factual info that keeps you lot coming back for more, right? Gripping info. I'll stop waffling and go now. Get my coat. We have a new guinea pig.
Gingery.
Gingery.
I think there's ginger. I don't eat ginger a lot. So
There is ginger, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice?
Yeah.
Good, good. Happy with your pastries?
Mm-hmm.
Good, good. Believe it or not, those starlings have completely decimated that fat block, the second one that I put out there. Yeah, within 4 hours, I think it was all gone. So tomorrow, before I go out, I will put another one out, but I'm rapidly running out of them. So I will need to go and buy some more. But I guess they're all feeding babies, and so they're all just getting food where they can get it for themselves, because they're getting bugs for the babies, so they must be eating that for themselves to get fueled, to then go and carry on feeding their babies. And it said at Tiggywinkles today, babies are fed every 15 minutes from sun up till sundown. So that is why they're still going now. I can still hear them every 15 minutes. In fact, I'd say it's more than every 15 minutes. I would say it's near enough every 2-3 minutes that they're in and out and in and out. But maybe it's just that the babies need it every 15 minutes. There we go again. This will go on until the sun goes down. Do you know what? I complain about a hard day's work. I have to hand it to those parents of those birds. They work so hard, and some of them are looking so bedraggled that I just want to pick it up and go, can I make you a cup of tea or anything? You look so tired and weary. Would you like a nap and I'll take over? But that's just not how it works. Speaking of feeling weary, I'm going to go and have a bath and be weary in the bath. There they go again. Non-stop. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you lovely lot tomorrow on my adventure. And if I don't see you tomorrow, I'll see you Saturday, because it's probably going to be Saturday before I get the video up tomorrow.